God's will. That is wrong. That is not Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Again. Oh, you're wrong again.
I can play Chocolate Star on the violin.
Oh, really? Let's show God's will out. Go on. Hello. The violin has 4 strings. They are numbered 1, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 strings have letter names of E, A, D, and G. Mnemonics are used to remember the order of these letter names. They can be said from the first string to the 4th string as E, A, D, G, or from the 4th string to the 1st string as G, D, A, E. A simple example would be good dogs always eat. Not a bad one, but it fails to represent the female strings on the violin, which would be E and A, and the male strings on the violin, which would be D and G. One more problem we would have with this is if we try saying it in the reverse from string 1 to 4, we get eat always, dogs good. That doesn't sound very nice. Another example would be go down and eat. Again, we encounter the same problem. It fails to represent the female strings on the violin, E and A, and the male strings on the violin, D, G. When we try saying it in the reverse, we have eat and down, go. That doesn't make sense. Therefore, the perfect mnemonic would be one that addresses the feminine strings on the violin and the masculine strings on the violin, and will also work either way, whether you say it from string 1 to 4 or string 4 to 1. And this perfect example would be Grandpa David, Aunt Ella. As you can see, it addresses the feminine strings, which is Aunt Ella, and the masculine string, Grandpa David.
Oh, I can play it now.
Really? Then let's do this!